How to fix Discord widescreen. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's get started. If your Discord is showing widescreen, that means your browser is using outdated version of node.js. If your Discord is black or gray, then it might be some streaming error, or it might mean that your Discord app is stuck in a login process. So I'm going to show you how you can fix all of this issue. However, first let's find out why your Discord screen goes blank. Now, there might be different reasons behind this. The first one can be problem with Discord app from the developer's end. It might also be unnecessary programs running in the background, taking up CPU resources, or the issue in the app process of Discord itself. It can also be because of increase in Discord cache or app data, or outdated graphic drivers. Sometimes the reason is any VPN blocking Discord or problems with hardware acceleration in browser. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix any of these issues. The first step is to check if the problem is with the Discord app from developers end. For that, you want to open up a website called Is It Down? So from this website, you can check if Discord is down. If the status is all right, then move on to the next fixes. Now, the next step is to kill all Discord processes from Task Manager. For this, if you're using Windows, then you want to press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape. Once you press on it, Task Manager is going to open up. From here, you want to click on Processes and here find Discord. Now right click on it and then click on End Task. For Mac users, there's no task manager, but you can force quit the app. For that, press Command plus Option plus Escape. A pop-up will open up at the bottom of the screen showing the running apps. Select Discord and click on Force Quit. So once you have clicked on Force Quit, then this issue should get fixed. If it's not, then let's move on to the next step. Now, the next step is to delete app data off Discord. For that, you want to press Windows key plus R to open run. Then you want to type %app data % in the run box and hit enter. This command will take you to a folder where Windows has settings, files, and folders. You want to find the folder named Discord and delete the file. Now, if you're using Mac, then the settings are different. So you just want to check out these settings for Mac as well and follow the process. Now the next step is to update the operating system. If you keep your OS at the latest version, it should be able to run all the apps including Discord smoothly. If you're using Windows, then you want to go to Windows setting by pressing Win plus I. For Windows 11, check the bottom of the left panel, select Windows Update. For Windows 10, select Update and Security and click on the Windows Update on the left panel. You will see an option, check for updates on the right hand side. Update Windows and install the new updates if it is available. Now for Mac, the settings are different. You want to click on the Apple icon menu on the left corner of the screen and select System Preferences. From there, click on Software Update. Now, once you have updated your OS as well and you're still facing issue on Discord, then another step would be to update your graphic drivers. Discord depends heavily on the graphic drivers on your computer. So if it's outdated, then you might be facing the issue such as the Discord app not starting up. So you want to update your graphic drivers as well. For that, you can press Windows key and search or select Device Manager on Windows. Under the display adapter, you will find the graphic driver listed. So you can just right click on each and select the update button. So with all of these steps, you should be able to fix your Discord issue. And that's it for this video. We hope you guys found it helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.